One of the biggest challenges facing contractors is a service department that is not well managed and not well organized. As a result, what you're going to have is chaos, brain damage, and virtually zero profitability. It reminds me of a story in 2007. I had my HVAC company. I decided to purchase one of my customers because they had what I thought was a wonderful service department. As it turned out, they had about 20 trucks on the road. They were doing millions of dollars in service, but I didn't realize the inner workings of the company until after I bought it. What I found out very soon is that people were unhappy, there was total chaos, and the service department was running at about 25% gross margin. This was totally unacceptable. So what I did is organize that department. We put the policies, procedures, and the systems in place to make it run more smoothly. We implemented a flat rate compensation system that was more fair to the technicians and provided the opportunity for them to earn $100,000 a year and more. Funny thing is this, when I implemented this new program, about half the guys quit. But here's the amazing thing. The 10 that remained, we did the same volume, the same number of calls with half as many people because the flat rate system increases our productivity. You know, I'm not the first one to understand you got to organize your system and create culture and compensation to keep the right people, to get the right people. 100 years ago, Henry Ford is well known as famous for attracting the right people. And he did it because he changed the compensation structure from what anybody else in automotive manufacturing was doing at the time. He went to a flat rate based system. He reduced the hours people had to work. He created a culture where people wanted to work there. As a result, people from all over the country flocked to him and he got to choose the best of the best. It was the same way in my company. Because we had the culture and the compensation system to organize the department properly, during lunchtime you'd see our competitors' truck parked around the block because their employees were coming to us to fill out an application because word had gotten out that the culture and the compensation was all about the technician. So I encourage you to go out and start thinking about ways today. How can I implement progressive compensation systems that are designed to drive productivity and give the service technicians the opportunity to make a real living, to make real money? And find ways to increase the culture, find ways to implement the systems, but take action today and create the culture and the compensation to drive the best people to your doorstep.